నారా భువనేశ్వరి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
During the most difficult times and work tirelessly until normalcy is restored. We empower individuals with skill development programs, enabling them to build suitable livelihoods and secure their futures. Through Stree Shakti, we uplift women by helping them build confidence, acquire skills, and achieve economic independence. Under NTR Sujala, we ensure access to safe drinking water, which every family we uplift, with, especially in remote and underserved areas. Every life we touch, every student we support, every family we uplift, all of this is a living tribute to the ideals of NTR Garu. Our journey continues, and let us move forward together with compassion in our hearts and commitment in our actions. A year like the one we have just completed has been a year of growth, innovation, and resilience. Our students excelled across academies, sports, research, technology, arts, and community service. This year, we strengthened new academic and skill enhancement programs. If a college is a garden, of each student is a unique flower. Some bloom with knowledge, some with creativity, some with leadership. All our teachers are the gardeners who nurtures these blossoms. To our teachers, thank you for shaping not just careers, but characters. Your patience, education, and selective blindness in the last bench contribute more to the nation building than you admit. To the parents, your support, trust form the foundation upon which our children build their dreams. Fun moments, college life, of course, has its own delightful philosophy. Coffee slowly becomes group of gossiping in canteen, plank to bunk. Ironically, the library is full only during the exams, but the canteen is full all throughout the year. So do you students agree on it? Yeah, as a college student and a school-going student, I used to do all these pranks. So I'm sure you all of us agree on this. Assignments behave like traffics. Nothing for days, then everything at once. And the library, surprisingly, quite all the year, suddenly becomes a Tirumala queue line during the exams. To the toppers, my heartful congratulations to the one-night warriors who mastered the sacred art of... Listen, students, you haven't listened to listen before I complete, okay? To the one-night warriors who mastered the sacred art of last-minute learning. Congratulations to you as well. You have proved that miracles have not gone extinct. Dear students, as you step beyond these gates, the world will present challenges and opportunities alike. a changing society. We live in a world that often chases money over meaning. Values like nobility, sacrifice, and service risks become rare. Yet, institutions like NTR College continues to remind us that generosity, compassion, and public service are the powerful forces. The charitable hospitals, clinics, schools, and research institutes built by earlier student generation still uplift the most vulnerable today. Their legacy teaches us a simple truth: being good is admirable, but being good for something is transformational. And always remember, be not only simply good, be good for something. We must remember, not enough to be busy. What are we busy for? For Sri Nandamuri Taraka Rama Rao Garu, a man who is larger than cinema, deeper than politics, and whose compassion touched the lives of millions. NTR Garu didn't just radiate light, he lit a torch. Flame continues to guide every student and every initiative of this college. May your future shine brighter than the campus lights during the festive seasons. May you grow with wisdom, joy, and humility. And may each of you become proud ambassadors